how do you quickly grow your reach and also your Facebook account, right? So you can bring more leads and sales to your business. I want to quickly show you exactly what I'm doing, okay? So let me show you some backend data first. Let me bring this up. All right, so this is my professional dashboard, okay? So last week, you see there was a drop, right? Because I was traveling, okay? I went to Dallas for the AI Marketing World Conference. So I didn't get a chance to post that many as how I used to post, right? But anyway, I'm gonna show you the strategy how you can quickly pick this up. Okay, like today, I already had over 150,000 views. So how exactly I'm doing this, I will show you in this training video. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. You can see this is the motivational image I just made using AI this morning. Okay, then I share that into several big public group. You can see all this got published, right? In different groups. Okay. That's how I get massive amount of traffic coming on a daily basis. And let me show you this image. It's very simple image, just like this, right? I also share the prompt I'm using in order for people to create this image. Okay, so you can use AI to create your own AI image, your own AI avatar, then put motivational quote on it, right? Then share it to other big motivational quote groups. That's how you can get your image shared by a lot of people. Then a lot of people will follow you. Okay. And if you want to dive in deeper to see exactly how I do this step by step, right? I actually have an AI profit mastery mentorship coming up. We're going to start on October 25th. Okay. So this coming Saturday. And the week one training, I will show you exactly how to use AI to become a professional copywriter, right? Because copywriting is everything. What you say in your content coming out from your word, from your mouth, that will directly affect how many sales that you can close. Okay. And in week one training, next Saturday, I will be teaching students exactly how to use AI to become professional copywriter. Then week number two, I will teach my students how to use AI to create AI images, AI avatar, and also AI videos. So literally, you can get leads and sales to your offer, to your business without showing your face. Okay. So if you are interested in learning how to do this for your business so you can make more money, comment AI down below. Okay. Then I'll send you the full details. Look forward to seeing you in my upcoming mentorship, 30-day mentorship program. Okay. In this 30 days, I'll help you use AI to fully automate your entire business. Talk soon. Let's go.